guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make homemade Pop Tarts or toaster strudels. They're a mix between both. So I'm going to start off with this puff pastry that I purchased at Stater Brothers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it out into thirds. To cut this into thirds. So it's already pre-folded and I'm just cutting along those lines. Then I'm going to pile them on top of each other and simply cut them in half. Now I'm going to take one of them and I'm going to grab a little napkin and I'm going to dip it in my egg wash. And the egg wash is basically an egg and 2 teaspoons of milk. And I'm going to rub the edges of my puff pastry with it. And then I'm going to grab my jelly, put my jelly in the center. And I'm going to grab a little piece of cream cheese. Ideally you want this to be softened, but I didn't have time for that, so this will work. Next, we're going to top it with the other part of the pastry puff, and we're going to gently press it down with a fork. These puff pastries come frozen, so you want to let it sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes. But you also don't want to let them sit too long or else they get too sticky and they're very hard to work with. And then we're going to poke a few holes on top. And then we're going to put a little bit more egg wash on top for that golden baked color. And then I'm going to lay them on my cookie sheet and I put some parchment paper on there. And we're going to do this with each one. And this will make about 3 Pop Tarts. And there we have it, 3 Pop Tarts. So we're going to throw these in to bake, like I said, for 20 to 30 minutes. And I'll see you then. Meanwhile, my puff pastry bakes, I'm going to go ahead and make my Pop Tart icing. And I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 cups of powdered sugar. Or confectioner sugar. And then I'm going to put 1/4 cup of milk, and I'm using almond milk, but you can use any low-fat milk of your choice. And then we're just going to stir it. Now, if I had food coloring, I would definitely add some to give the Pop Tarts some color and make them a little more fun to eat. Since I don't have food coloring, they're just going to look like toaster strudels. And here is the icing. And once your Pop Tarts are done, you're going to let them cool, and then we're going to put the icing on top. So I just took my puff pastry out of the oven, and it actually took about 22 minutes to get nice and crispy. Now we're going to get our icing and just drizzle it on top. Alrighty guys, and now I'm going to zoom in real quick so you can see what it looks like inside. And there you have it. It's ooey gooey and delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Literally took just 20 minutes to bake and about 10 minutes to prep. So much fun for the kids. Go ahead and get creative. Like I said, use some food coloring to give it some color, make it a little bit more fun to eat. And also try it as a appetizer with a little bit of either cream cheese and ham, or maybe for dinner with some minced meat, or maybe some cheese and beans. I mean, sky's the limit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.